Yeah. Okay. You turn on machine first, right? Yeah. Okay. Nice. Huh? I think it's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, once you get maybe do a little bit of sanding, that's fine. Yeah, up to you how many you want to cut. Okay, so you can turn on the machine and then slowly. Okay, don't need a rush. Okay. Nice. It's okay. It's okay. I want it that way. It's okay. I mean, anything is okay. Nothing is. Okay. What about that one?
What about that?
That one you don't need to cut anymore.
No, why?
Oh, okay. Just all the square, whatever.
Like there?
That's basically you're done.
They're good.
Yeah.
Just the wheels.
Joe.
What?
Click. Yeah. Yeah. Like a butter. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, go. Yeah. Go. Go, Jason, go. Yeah. Go.
How
Go,
much?
go more a little bit. Go more a little bit.
They're good?
Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, take it off. No.
What do I do?
Still click, let it turn, and you pull. Let it turn, you pull. Yeah, see? Now you know that do the another one.
Do another one.
Another one hole here. Yeah, same thing. Little bit. Be gentle. Yeah, just let it go through. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
How
go
much
more. Okay, so go, still pull like a. Yeah. Okay, do, yeah. Putting the slot, yeah, little bit, be gentle. Yeah. Good. Yeah, little bit. Yeah, but you need to push a little bit harder, right? Because. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah, see, turning. Yeah, that's why it's still a little bit too tight. But so far, yeah, it's okay. Okay, go another one. So you do.
Huh?
Yeah, you know how to do it, right?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording right now. So you
How does it do?
You're turning like.
Huh?
Pull other side. Pull from other side. Yeah, you know.
Like that?
Yeah, don't push me. Okay, putting the hole, aligning the hole.
Line in the hole like that?
Yeah. Use the hand tight a little bit. Yeah.
Which
you have
way?
glove. Yeah. Clockwise there. Clockwise tightening. Yeah, until you feel okay. Yeah. Yeah, do the same thing, but don't too fast, okay? Gentle.
What?
Yeah, because you still need to push a little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
I am confused.
Yeah.
What
Yeah. Sometimes it's a screw. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
But how are you
Let me.
supposed to
Hold
do
on.
this?
Yeah, hold on. It's recording. Yeah, I know. It's sometimes it still need more pressure. Okay, it's too tight, but you can manually. So this manual. It's too tight right now, but we can manually manage that. So that's the same thing. Yeah. Doing shit. It's easier. You put some paper on the desk and moving by the parts. Yeah. No, come on.
I haven't sanded something.
Use your common sense. Yeah. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay. Yeah, just roughly. You know,
Yes.
everybody knows you fake it. Yeah. Yeah, that's the way. Some like a sharp edge, you do that. Okay, I think I don't know.
Are you good?
Yeah, I think up to you. Like all the edge, you just make it, don't sharp it. Yeah.
Hey, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Is this a jaw? You try test the jaw. Test it. Turning. You click. Don't put on. Yeah. See it. Which direction is turning, jaw? Okay, that's right. Okay, yeah.
What the hell? I feel it lifting.
It's okay. Lifting is okay. But you push down. Don't let it. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Oh, they're different nails.
Yeah, different now. That's okay. It's okay. Now you're done.
Angled slightly.
Damn. That's bad. Why you make an angle? Take it out.
What do you mean take it out?
Adjust it.
How do I do that?
Take one out, then adjust it.
How do I take one out?
Take one screw out. You new screw out. You take it one new screw out.
Yeah, but how do I go the opposite direction?
You click in here. Just adjust. Okay. Just take it out. Yeah, take it out. Okay, now just turn it a little bit. See? You see? Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Now change direction. Change direction. Over
How?
there.
How?
Push over there. Push over there.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
What are you doing?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, fine.
That's fine. That's
Just
crabby.
slightly. Now I have me car.
Okay, let's see how good. From here.
Here?
How good? Yeah, from here.
Which
No,
way?
you go there.
Boy, this is street.
Yeah, that's straight. Go straight. There's a car a little bit. Okay, car is coming. Okay. Yeah. See how it goes.
Just roll it.
Yeah. No, come on.
Come on.
It's a backward. It's okay. Come on. Worse than mine.
What do you mean?
You see? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Successful project. Successful.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got that project. It's done.
Now I have to write about it in French.
Yeah. Holding it. Come here.
Why?
Yeah, we're holding it, man. Turning. 3D turning. 3D turning. 3D. Oh, look at that. Look at the crap.